Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to create your own fonts on TikTok. So you need to do the first step is I will go to my Google Chrome, and you need to search that page, LingoJam text. So this in this page here in Fancy Text Generator, the only thing you need to do is typing what you wanna say in your TikTok, in your description of TikTok. And after that you need to put in the option of design your own font. And the only thing you need to do when you pick in that button and the page give it to you the only thing, the last thing you need to do is copy that text with that personalized, but with your own font, and paste that in the description of TikTok when you upload that TikTok. So this is a process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.